What's up guys, RB here, and today we are looking at some of the AI tools on the new Filmora 14. Let's check it out.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is place a clip onto my timeline. Now I've duplicated that clip and I've placed it on the timeline twice so we can have a look at the difference. I'm going to select my second clip, go into video and then into AI tools, scroll down to the AI video enhancer tool and then simply select generate. Okay, now let's have a look at the difference with several different clips. Okay, here's clip 1. Now, I did this in a pretty rough way without a high resolution. Let's have a look at the difference. And that's after the AI enhancement tool. So you can notice the apples are looking a bit redder and overall it looks a bit sharper. And here it is together. As you can see, the orange especially looks a bit better. Okay, next clip is just some flowers that I took in my backyard. Clip 1, without anything. And clip number 2. As you can see, the colors are a bit brighter in this one. Okay, and let's have a look at them together. Yeah, it's definitely clearer on the edges of the video, I feel. Okay, again, a swing set, just standard low resolution filming, no real effort. And second, as you can see, there's a lot of colors that come out a bit clearer. So overall, pretty good. And together. My final thoughts for this one. So the AI feature, it does what it claims to do. It does increase the video quality, adjusts some of the colors and makes it a bit sharper. Could you do it yourself on the Filmora program? Yes, you could. But it is just a time-saving factor if that is something that you need.
And that's a wrap guys. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and as always, I'll catch you next time.